Hey friends, and welcome to my channel, The House of Jen. Today we are going to be searching for high-end Pottery Barn dupes at the local TJMAXX and HomeGoods. I love to do all things creative. If you have not already, please subscribe. We are going to have a blast together. Let's start shopping. Before I go shopping, I am scrolling through the Pottery Barn website and I noticed that modern Tuscan is very in. The textured vases, the blue and white kind of Mediterranean feel, and of course some beautiful high-end florals. So we are going to see what we can find. Okay guys, so we are going to hit up TJMAXX, HomeGoods, and possibly some other stores to find some Pottery Barn dupes. They have some really beautiful items. I have been scrolling, doing all the research for you so you don't have to. So let's see what we can find and let's go shopping. Guys, if blue and white is your thing, check out TJMAXX. They had so many beautiful items for such a great price. So if you look on Pottery Barn, it is over $100, well over $100 for similar items. Yes, it doesn't have the little crackle, but you can get a very similar look if you're shopping on a budget. I always have to check the pillow section, even though I have a gazillion pillows. So the lumbar pillow at Pottery Barn is currently on sale, but it is still so much more expensive than some other beautiful options that you can find. Y'all, baskets can be very expensive. I found this gorgeous basket for only $34.99. It is huge. Think laundry, think pillow storage for all those beautiful pillows or throws. And you guys, so Pottery Barn currently has this similar basket for $99.50. Oh my goodness. And I love the quality of the TJMAXX version. How cute is this little basket lamp? They are everywhere. They are trending. Check out how much money you can save on this little lamp. Laundry hampers can cost well over $200 at Pottery Barn. Although they are gorgeous, I found this beautiful scalloped laundry basket for only $59. If you love the look of nautical picture frames, these Pottery Barn ones are gorgeous, but also very expensive. If you're not afraid of a little paint, I found this gorgeous dupe for only $7. How adorable. Y'all, this marble top, authentic marble with a wood base was only $40. I took it to the front to purchase for myself. Yes, it came home with me. Alabaster bath accessories are beautiful but expensive. I found these on clearance, 2 of them, $3.50 a piece. Okay guys, let's head on over to HomeGoods to see what we can find. I checked out the flower section first. The flowers at Pottery Barn, super nice, but ooh, super expensive. I love the options that I found and wanted to show you a few. I was really impressed with how large and realistic this faux hydrangea feels. It is not that papery thin material, but more of like a luxurious quality. and I thought these were a pretty good deal. Also, I was trying to find these succulent branches at the HomeGoods for a dupe, but I did not find those, but I did find a succulent pot, and I think this would be gorgeous on the stack of books. Wicker buffets and credenzas are so on trend. $5.99 may not seem like a great price at HomeGoods, but compared to this one for over $2,000 at Pottery Barn, it's a great dupe. Okay, so not a dupe, but I had to show you these blue and white nightstands. How beautiful. As I said before, blue and white is trending, and I got excited about these. This best-selling boho trendy mirror is a whopping $499 on Pottery Barn. I found this similar look for $39.99 at HomeGoods. Sure, the craftsmanship is not comparable, but from a distance you can get a similar look. I hope you enjoyed the shopping day. I want to show you how absolutely gorgeous this marble table that I found for only $40 is. And sometimes when you're shopping online it's convenient, but you cannot guarantee the quality, especially of natural marble. So let me show you a close-up of this gorgeous table. I think the alabaster plate for $3.50 is such a luxurious feel in this bathroom. I hope this gave you some fun ideas. Till next time.